Hello and welcome to Mods Tech. It's a filthy, dirty HP 8200 Elite desktop computer project that I picked up for 40 bucks with just the simple plan of giving it some scrubby-dubby and trying to release it back in the wild, or just for a quick flip. But the ideas and questions started popping into my head like they always do. And what if I paint this? What if I change this? Oh boy, here we go again. Now this was just a preliminary cleaning. What I mean is I need to test the PC before I decide to thorough clean it, and I don't want a dust blowing all over my desk and other computers. But really, it's just fun to do. And I unplugged all these fans and the power supply just because, and just to be safe. Today's class is in session. Please be seated. Can anybody tell me what thermal throttling is? Anybody? Anyone? Hello? Nobody? Okay. When a CPU or GPU gets too hot, it will automatically slow down its performance to adjust to a cooler running temperature, and therefore defend itself from damage. A good example of this is when people sell their laptops for cheap because its performance slowed down. Usually a good cleaning and a fresh coat of Windows, and you're quickly burning up the comment section on a YouTube a lot quicker. Now come on, Ando-see-do, all that dirt and dust must go! HP made upgrading your desktop computer with basically a tool's design, but if you're going to tear it down just a bit farther, you really only need a flathead and Phillips screwdriver. If you're not sure if you will remember where the plugs go after reinstalling everything, just take a few pics before you begin for reference. Before starting a project, I find Gooby Gone, paintbrush, rubbing alcohol, and a rag and some Q-tips. Get my machine nice and clean. Couldn't find my angle grinder at the time, so I burned up around 20 bucks on Dremel cutting discs. Not recommended, but they do work. As reassembly begins, let's go over the specs of this in the process beauty. System had an i3-2120 that was replaced with an i5-2400. It had 4 GB of RAM. I doubled that with 8 gigs of 1333 DDR3. It had a 500 GB mechanical hard drive that was wiped. Now has same 500 GB mechanical hard drive with Windows 10 Pro. Had onboard HD graphics, but now has Radeon RX 480 8 GB graphics card. Had a 330 watt or so basic power supply, but now has a gaming Corsair CX 750. Swapping power supplies on the HP 8200 other than a HP will require you to have a cable adapter, which can be purchased on eBay. And the only downside to that is upon boot up, F1 will have to be pressed because it will not detect a PSU fan. But that doesn't bother me, it works just fine. Now that this old HP is almost back together again and looking good, it's over to the vinyl cutter to see if the theme I'm wanting to go with this project is gonna work. I'm really digging the new Doom Eternal game, so having a matching machine I think is gonna look pretty nice. From gloom to doom, just gotta glue the acrylic into place and then give that old but new PC fresh peel. Well, shebang, shebang, wang-a-tang. She looks good anyways, but can we play, coach?